Hi everyone, my name's Calvin and this is my app. It's called Let Us Meet, and it's a lunch break date app where you can look at your local restaurants and plan a meeting with someone. And as you can see, I have a map rendered. I use Yelp's API to grab all the local restaurants around me, and you can see right down here I have buttons that can filter the restaurants. So I have the Open Now right here. If everyone wants a good salad, then you can press that. And there's pizza as well. And I use React Native to make this app. I really want to try making a mobile app, and I thought React Native was the best transition. And I have my maps rendering, but like currently I don't have I was planning to do Google Firebase to as a database and host the messages. So you can click on the restaurants, and you can see, give me a second, and you can see the name of the restaurant and the addresses. And doing this was really, really eye-opener because the first time I'd done my own APIs routing, I used Axios to grab that to fetch the data from the Yelp API, and yeah, and that's my app. Let us meet.